We just ask people to tell their stories about how they learned to cook their Latin American recipes. There's a lot of students, especially at this school, that have never been to their family's home country, but they know about it from things that their family cooks at home. Sometimes when families move to a new country, you have that separation and the link between your grandparents or great-grandparents and the land and what foods and ingredients are native to where you came from. Trying to help students not feel shame about that disconnect, but recognize that it's part of a process, that it's okay if you're not super familiar with the way that your grandparents used to make things.